Hi, I'm Julia, a workshop leader for Little Green Pig, and I'm talking to you today about our next writing challenge. Hope you've been following our YouTube channel and enjoying our videos. So our task this week is called Revolting Rhymes, and this is inspired by a wonderful book written by Roald Dahl, which many of you will probably have read, where he retells classic fairy stories and makes them a bit weird and revolting. So our task for you is to think of something absolutely revolting, totally disgusting, something that makes you go, ugh. Could be a horrible food, could be a sort of slimy creature that you don't like to touch, could be an awful smell. And we'd like you to write down all the words you can to describe it, and then see if you can find a word that rhymes with each of those words. So you might have beans queens or worm squirm. Write down as many pairs as you can to create a list of revolting rhymes. And if you really enjoy that task, see if you could take one of Roald Dahl's stories and make it even more revolting. Tying in with the revolting rhyme task this week, our emotion of the week is disgust. So what we'd like you to do is to use the revolting rhyme words from the other activity and work them up into a poem. And the aim of the poem is to really disgust the reader and make somebody feel disgusted by what you've written. You might write a poem about a disgusting food you once ate, or a horrid smell that you encountered, or maybe a filthy, dirty rag that you found somewhere in the house. And to make it extra special interesting, try to keep an even rhythm in each line while you create your poem. So what you need to do there is count the number of beats or syllables in every line when you read it aloud, and make sure that each line has the same number of syllables. And then you'll have created a rocking, rotten poem. And now moving on to our writing challenge of this half term, it's Wild, Wild World. So over the past few weeks you've been writing your stories, your poems, your plays, your articles, letters maybe, about how something in the environment will have changed or is going to change due to the new ways in which we are living at the moment. So this week, what we'd like you to do is to share your writing with a friend, a family member, or a parent. What you need to get them to do is to listen to what you've written and then to tell you what went well and what could be improved. And what you need to do is write down their ideas and feedback. This is called editing. It's really important. So you can write down what they say, or they can help you to write down a list of their ideas, and then you go away and you make a few changes to your writing, see if you can make it even better and polish it up so it's perfect. Once your piece is definitely finished, we want to read it. So we want you to send all of your writing and all of your finished pieces into writing@littlegreenpig.org.uk, and we'll continue to share your ideas on our website, on our blog, and on these YouTube videos as well. Our next film will be coming out on Wednesday. And to finish, I'd like to share with you a piece of writing by Cosmin from our Friday Club. Planting trees for more oxygen. People should be thinking more about our environment and stop cutting forests because it destroys the atmosphere. I invite people to stop cutting trees. People, stop cutting trees. The sky is grey and dark. Please, I want to see the blue sky and the stars again. People, stop cutting trees. It is the insects and animals' home. Please, I want to see a butterfly. People, please start planting trees and save lives, and throw away the masks to breathe clean air. Thank you, Cosmin, for your passionate piece of writing. Please join in, send us your writing, keep writing, be creative, be brave, be imaginative, have fun, take pride in what you do. Bye.